Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn summer camp activity for kids part 6. So let's learn something new today. Today we are going to learn recipe mint lemonade mocktail. So let's see.
Today I am going to show you a mocktail recipe. The recipe name is mint lemonade mocktail. So we need lemon juice, sugar, mint leaves, lemon slices, ice cubes, water and glass for serve mocktail. First we have to take a mixer jar. Then we have to put some lemon juice. Then we have to put some sugar. Then we have to put some mint leaves. Then we have to put some ice cubes and at the glass we have to put some water. Now we grind it. Let's drain it. Let's serve it. Very healthy mocktail in summer season. So let's try. Thank you.